Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set or how to off flashlight on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on camera. Then from here you have to click on the flashlight, the first option. Then here you can see this one is the light. Suppose when you click on the light, then it used to be shine light, no, like this. If you want to off this one, you just click on this first option here and the flashlight will be set off. Okay, see here the first option here. Okay, click on the first option and the flashlight will be off on your mobile phone. Okay, you just need to click on the first option, and if you want to set flashlight, the first one will be only flash will be set on like this. While clicking photo also it will be set like this, and the last second will be like this. I'll show you. Okay, this one is the last second. Only while clicking photo the flashlight will be on. Okay, so if you want to off this one, click on this first option and the light will be off. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.